respect, but you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention.